Let us start with next one. That is question number 30. Which of the following order is true regarding the acidic nature of phenol? So here they have mentioned it as phenol, orthocresol, orthonitrophenol, and second one as orthocresol, phenol, and orthonitrophenol. First, let us write the structures. So first one is phenol. So you should know about orthocresol. So you know that an orthocresol is one in which there is an existence of OH along with the presence of CH3, which is known as orthocresol, and the third one is orthonitrophenol. So orthonitrophenol. This is orthonitrophenol. So here we know that electron withdrawing group, this will be more acidic in its nature, and so orthocresol will be least acidic in its nature. Hence, I can write it as orthocresol is least acidic as compared to that of phenol. Phenol is least acidic as compared to that of orthonitrophenol. This is the correct answer, which is given by the option B. Next one, question number 31. Which of the following cannot be used to oxidize primary alcohols to aldehydes? So here we should know that primary alcohol can be oxidized to an aldehyde with KMNO4 in aqueous solution, or it can be in alkaline medium. Means KMNO4 can oxidize primary alcohol to aldehyde either in aqueous phase or in alkaline medium. But when it comes to acidified KMNO4, this acidified KMNO4 oxidizes alcohol to carboxylic acid directly. But here it has been given as which of the following cannot be used to oxidize primary alcohols to aldehydes. Hence, the correct answer is KMNO4 in acidic medium, which is given by the option C. Next one, question number 32. The products formed during the following reactions are, okay, here let us analyze with the reaction. Here carbon has been tertiary in its nature, which is binded with oxygen and CH3 along with HI. Here when one of the alkyl group, so here one alkyl group is what? Tertiary alkyl group. When one of the alkyl group is tertiary in its nature, and when it is made to react with the alkyl halide is formed. When one of the alkyl group is tertiary, the alkyl halide which is formed will be an tertiary alkyl group. So based upon this, here this carbon is tertiary in its nature. When the carbon is tertiary in its nature, this tertiary carbon will take away this halogen to form an 3-degree alkyl halide, that is CH3 binded with CH3, which I can call it as tertiary butyl iodide, along with the formation of what? Methyl alcohol. Come on, check with the options now. The correct answer for this question is what? Option A, which is given with methyl alcohol along with tertiary butyl iodide, because tertiary alkyl group is present in this ether, where this larger alkyl group can take away what? The halogen to form tertiary alkyl group. That is nothing but a tertiary alkyl halide is obtained. Next one, question number 33. Phenol can be distinguished from ethanol by the reagent, that is bromine water, sodium metal, iron metal, and chlorine water. So here we know that when this phenol, or when the phenol is made to react with bromine water, we are going to get a tribromo derivative of phenol, where ortho positions as well as para position has been substituted with bromo along with the formation of HBr. Hence, no such reactions can take place with reference to what? Alcohol. Hence, the correct answer for this question is bromine water, which is given by option A. Next one, question number 34. When the vapors of tertiary butyl alcohol are passed through heated copper at 573 Kelvin, the product formed is. So, what it has been given? Vapors of tertiary butyl alcohol. Let us write the structure. This is the structural representation of tertiary butyl alcohol. When this tertiary butyl alcohol is treated with copper by maintaining a temperature of 573 Kelvin, here what happens? We have to analyze that. Here, when it comes to this, OH gets eliminated as OH minus, and one of the hydrogen from one alkyl group gets eliminated, so that H2O is eliminated along with the formation of what? CH3. Here, one more CH3 is as it is. From one methyl group, one hydrogen is eliminated, which forms a double bond with the carbon. Hence, the name of this particular compound can be called as what? 2-methyl propene. Hence, the option 2-methyl propene is given, which is given with the option C. Next one, question number 35. When it comes to question number 35, what is the increasing order of acidic strength among the following? It has been mentioned as what? First one, para-methoxyphenol. Let us write the structure. OH is phenol. It has been mentioned as para-methoxyphenol, that is OCH3. Next one is para-methylphenol. So this is phenol at para position methyl, that is para-methylphenol. Third one is para-nitrophenol. So this is phenol at para position nitro group, that is known as para-nitrophenol. So when we analyze with all this, the most acidic component will be, that is para-nitrophenol, because nitro group is electron withdrawing group. So first one, more acidic will be what? Para-nitrophenol. Here methyl group is electron donating in its nature, which shows a positive inductive effect. Here OCH3 shows what? A positive resonance effect. So that the correct sequence of acidic nature. So this is option 1, this is second option, this is third option. Nitro group is electron withdrawing, this is more acidic in its nature. Since it shows resonance effect, the acidic nature will be least. Hence, it can be written as 1. 1 is nothing but what? Para-methoxyphenol is less acidic as compared to para-methylphenol as compared to para-nitrophenol. Hence, the correct option for this question is what? Option C.